Hey everyone, I'm here with Indy today. We're going to be hiking in Carson City, Nevada on Mexican Ditch Trail. It goes down towards the Mexican Dam on Carson River. Let's go head out. Mexican Ditch Trails turned out to be one of our favorite hiking trails. You can't beat the views, and it's dog friendly. The section we're hiking down right now is from the Carson River Park trailhead. You come up to a parking lot and you have a ranch on the other side of you. In 1860, the Mexican Dam was built by Mexicans to supply water from the Carson River to one of the mills at the Comstock. There was a legal battle over the rights to the water, but by the time it was won, mining was over in 1907. The dam still remains, diverting water to the Mexican Ditch, where the trail gets its name from. Look at this little crazy person. It's wintertime, he's rolling around getting in the water. Man, he enjoys this. So as I'm heading back, you guys ever encountered a skunk with your dog? As I was walking down the trail, there was one somewhere upwind of us, and I smelled that so bad. I was worried he was going to run up to it. Any of you have to use that tomato bath with them? What have you done? They instantly think it's a cat. I'm trying to train him not to chase anything, so hopefully I can keep him away, but does anything actually work on that? Plus, can they smell it? I mean, when a skunk sprays, does it smell it and be like, man, I'm glad I'm the one spraying it? Because I can't imagine, that coming out of you, you gotta smell a little bit. Anyways, beautiful view with random thoughts of skunk sprays and your dogs. Well, that's it for this trip. I recommend checking out Mexican Ditch Trail. It's a great hike to take your dog along with, and beautiful views with a scenic river. With multiple trails, you can choose how long you want your hike to be. A note, It is accessible by bicyclists and horses, plus it is a wilderness area. Well, till next time.
Definitely one of those things. Oh no. No horse poop. No. You learned that from an old hunting dog. Pete likes the horse poop.